Okay, this is problem 1, part T. We're going to find the derivative of y equals log base 3 of the argument x plus 1 over x minus 1 raised to the ln of 3. And we're going to use some properties of logarithms first before we take the derivative to make it a little easier. So the first property of logarithms we're going to use is that we're going to bring this exponent down in front of the log base 3 expression. So ln of 3 times log base 3 of x plus 1 over x minus 1. And then we're going to use another one that says we can break up a quotient in the arguments into a difference of the logarithm of the numerator minus the logarithm of the denominator. So we'll say y equals ln of 3, and I'm going to draw a big bracket here, times log base 3 of x plus 1 minus log base 3 of x minus 1. And then I'm just going to take the derivative. Y prime equals, this is a constant, so we'll just leave that ln of 3 out front. The derivative of log base 3 of x plus 1 is 1 over the argument, so 1 over x plus 1, times 1 over the ln of the base is 3, so 1 over the ln of the base, and then times the derivative of the argument, which the derivative of x is 1, the derivative of 1 is 0, so we just don't even need to write that. So that will be minus the derivative of log base 3 of x minus 1, be 1 over the argument, times 1 over the ln of the base, which again is ln of 3. Now if you'll notice, and that's it, that same difference here, when we take the derivative of x minus 1, we just get 1. So if we distribute this ln of 3, it will actually cross out with these ln of 3, and then we're left with y prime equals 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x minus 1. And so now the instructions were to be sure to simplify. So we need a common denominator. Our common denominator is x plus 1 times x minus 1. I multiplied this denominator by x minus 1, so I had to multiply this numerator by x minus 1. And then I'm going to leave that negative sign there. And I multiply this denominator by x plus 1, so I have to multiply this numerator by x plus 1. So that's going to say x plus 1, and then distributing and simplifying, distributing this negative, I get a negative x, minus an x is 0, negative 1 minus 1 is negative 2 over x plus 1 times x minus 1, and that's the derivative. We could make this into x squared minus 1, but this is factored form, and that's simplified. So that's about it. I'm going to